So here we are in Belfast City Centre. As you can see, there's Napoleon's Nose in the distance, the Titan of Belfast, Titan of Cave Hill, which inspired the iconic scene in Gulliver's Travels by Jonathan Swift, who actually lived in the Belfast area back in the early 1700s. And nearby we have, let's see, where are we? There's the Royal Mail Building. And beside the Royal Mail Building, we have yet more buildings. And there is motorway, bridge over the river, and that is beside the railway bridge. So you can see it goes right past the Royal Mail Building there. And since the Royal Mail is now clearing out of the building and it's going to be left empty, there's no reason it shouldn't be converted into a train station to serve the city centre here. And if you look, there is Harland and Wolff shipyards where the Titanic was built. The cranes are actually from the 1960s, but we'll keep moving around. And there on the other side of the BT tower there, which is beside the Hilton, is the Lanyon Place railway station, which again is nowhere near the city centre. And we also have, yeah, it's hidden by that large building there, but the Yorkgate station, which serves the southern end of North Belfast, just as Lanyon Place serves the western tip of East Belfast. And then if we follow round, yeah, you can't see it from here, but somewhere there is the, no, maybe where there's, and that in the easternmost part of West Belfast is the Grand Central Station, which is certainly not central. So again, Belfast City Centre is ringed by a whole bunch of these different train stations, but until we get something in Tomb Street around the area of that Royal Mail Building, which is disused at the moment, until that happens, we won't actually get a proper Belfast City Centre train station. So hopefully that happens very soon.